So when we start looking at a upright row with a resistance band, all we're gonna do is take that band, we're gonna put both feet on it, about shoulder width apart. You wanna have that band running underneath the arches of your feet, right? You're gonna grab palms down on the band, keeping your chest up, shoulders down and back. You're just gonna give a big pull up to the chest and back down. Now what I like to do with this one is as you pull, I want you to actually rip that band apart at the top. Right? It's gonna put your shoulders in a bit of a nicer position instead of trying to keep your elbows tight, which can cause a little bit of pinching and impingement in the shoulder joint here. And if you pull up, as you pull up, really rip that band apart. It gives a little more of motion, a little opening up of the shoulders as you're doing that, right? So from the side, that's gonna look like this. Chest up, abs tight, big pull, rip it apart, back down. Pull, rip it apart, and back down. So that would be a resistance band upright row.